Someday my prince will come. Someday my prince will come. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is numero 3 in my Disney series. If you can't already tell from the song that just happened, I am doing Snow White. I have already done my eyebrows and my foundation, and we're just going to move straight on into the eyes. So I will see you guys in the next clip. Bye. We're starting out with the Trends Mischeif palette from Makeup Revolution, and I'm just using that brown as a nice base just underneath the colours that I am going to use in this look.
Someday my prince will come, someday we'll meet again, and away to his castle we'll go, to be happy forever, I know.
Going in with this gorgeous navy blue colour from the 9S So Chill palette by Morphe, I'm just going ahead and putting that on the outer and inner part of my eye. Colour from the Tammi Revolution palette, I'm going to go ahead and put that in the middle. Kind of like a halo eye, but not completely.
When my dreams come true. Somewhere he waits for me. Someone.
And I'm just going back in with that blue just to blend and to intensify the colour just a tad.
For my heart will start skipping a beat.
Lashes are always a struggle, so enjoy this like cool transition I tried to do. These are the Laroc Tinkerbell lashes. Now going in with my Fenty concealer as always, just highlighting the points that the sun naturally hits and going ahead and blending that out. Adding some mascara to the lower lashes and the falsies just to blend them in. Then we're going in with our Fenty MatchStix in Expresso and going ahead and warming up the face. Using an RT style brush to blend out that nose contour, and then going ahead with a bigger, fluffier kabuki style brush for the rest of the face. And of course she's got rosy cheeks, so we are again using that Revolution blush. I promise guys, next video we've got some different products coming at you. This is a highlighter that I broke during travelling, so I have no idea where it's actually from, but it is a very pretty shimmery gold colour, giving us princess vibes. Going in with the Kiko Intensely Lavish lip liner in the colour 05. As red as blood, we are using the L'Oreal Colour Rich lipstick in the shade Red Passion, which is number 297. All products will be linked in the bio as per usual. Realising that I absolutely messed up my makeup, and then we're going to go in with some concealer to fix it. Hope you guys enjoyed that freeze frame. As per usual, awkward posing from me. Enjoy. Okay guys, this is the final look. It is a bit of a modern twist on the original Princess Snow White. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're not subscribed, you know the drill. What the heck are you doing with your life? Make sure you subscribe. We just hit 100 subscribers. Whoop whoop. Let's try and get it up a little bit more in the next videos to come. There is a couple more Disney series coming at you, so look out for those. Make sure you turn on my notification posts. And bye guys.